Okay, so you'll notice at the library homepage, um, you'll want to go down to databases. There's a couple places you can locate that on the left here or down in the middle. But then you'll want to go and click on the databases, and that will take you to a variety of different database and research source material. You can search that. Best way to do that is subject. And you can kind of skim and scan this material, look at all the different subjects that you can organize your search around, and then, of course, specifically look at the different sciences. Whatever science major you're looking into, go ahead and click on that. Go ahead and click on this chemistry database, and you can see there's a bunch of different options. I'm just going to just kind of noodle around here just to give you an idea of how to find scholarly, peer-reviewed scientific journal articles that you'll need for the very first assignment. And you'll also need to locate some things for some smaller activities building up to that. You can see here there's a nanoscience article, kind of look at the journal scope, gives you an idea of what they're doing, what this journal actually focuses on, why they focus on that, what kind of conventions they use, what kinds of citation styles they require. Um, Again, you'll notice there's lots of figures and very specific ways of using language. This particular article I'm looking at now is like an intro article that sets up a special issue of a journal. So it's not exactly the article from the journal you'd want to analyze for this assignment. Um, I'll actually go up into another area and I'll click on publications, and here's a whole nother location of material you can look at, and I'll give you a really good example of a journal article that you would investigate for this assignment. And this is again another example of how to use the database here at CWU to locate journal articles for free. You have a subscription as a student. So you can see there's an abstract. You'll hear the MRAD model mentioned a lot in scientific writing. That's the introduction, methods, results, and discussion. You'll see that these articles follow that formula, so to speak. You'll notice there's tremendous amount of figures, charts, graphs, visuals. We'll actually read a really cool article about the Challenger space shuttle explosion that talks about how they used visuals to figure out what happened and why it happened. But again, this would be an example of a type of article that I would want you to rhetorically examine for this final or this first project, a rhetorical analysis of a scientific writing journal article. This would again be a great example of that. And you can think about what's the purpose of this article, why are they writing this, who are they writing this to? Obviously, right, scientists, but what kind of scientist, what level of expertise? Hopefully this helps you.